Hey guys, MD95TSI here. How's everyone doing? Hopefully having a good day. I want to share something with you. So as you can see, I picked up some props here, and they work out pretty well. I got these on a real good deal. I put them on a couple of my birds. I went out yesterday and I flown with it on this guy. As you can see, I was a little concerned because the fingers are a little bit skinnier than what we're used to seeing, but that makes no difference. These things are amazing for speed. Seem like if you were like a gate hitter, be no problem. Or freestyle. Seems like they're perfect. Like I said, I took it out yesterday and running on this guy. I ran a 4S 1550 milliamp hour 80C discharge, and it was phenomenal on the battery. It didn't do no battery dragging or nothing. I mean, it was perfect. That's what I was really shocked at it, because I thought, well, maybe they're just getting rid of them because that's why they're that cheap. No. So I'm gonna show you. So go check out Pyro Drones, and they are right here. Check them out. They're usually $3 a pack, and they are now 99 cents a pack. They're the Dal Cyclone T5051c high-speed propeller, Sean Taylor. So, not pretty much familiar with who Sean Taylor is, but I'd imagine that's probably one of the race guys that run these props for Dal. So, check them out. 4 props for $1. You cannot go wrong on that. So, we bought like 12 packs. And like I said, there they are, and I've got a couple of my birds. I think they look really, really nice. So I thought I'd share that for $1, guys. And if you don't like these props, go to Race Day Quads. They also are doing a propeller thing over there, sale, and you could get your favorite props that you like to run. But give these a shot. Trust me, you will like these. You guys know I usually don't lead you in the wrong direction. So I've tried them. I like them. That's all I can say about them. That's my opinion. So, hey, grab some and give me your opinion. Richard Coggins bought like 10 packs last night. So, check them out, guys. $1. Which you'll pay for this pack right here, with 4 propellers in it. And they're really nice. They're like flexible. They don't seem like they're real stiff. So, hey, might be on to something here. And a big thanks to Josh Withrow. You guys know Josh. I hang out with Josh. Josh is the one that finds all these deals. So thank you again, Josh. I really appreciate you, brother. And guys, go check them out. Pyro Drones. Get your 99 cent props today. Thank you for watching.